Hello students, today's topic is how to get a job in design field if you are a mechanical engineer. See, if you are a mechanical engineering graduate or you are pursuing your degree in mechanical engineering and you want to pursue your career as a design engineer, so for that you need to learn some softwares of mechanical engineering. There are many softwares of mechanical engineering and this will help you out to grab the job in design field. So I'm going to tell you about some software which can help you if you get the job in design field or any other kind of industries. If you are a mechanical engineering graduate and you are going in design field, so as a design engineer you should know some softwares. These softwares can be designing softwares, analysis or simulation softwares, and the last but not the least, MS Office. If you know these type of software, you can pursue your career as a design engineer very easily in any kind of industry. First, I'm going to discuss about designing softwares. Here are some designing software which I'm going to discuss which can help you to work as a design engineer. So here are some designing software. The designing software I'm going to discuss here is first is AutoCAD, second is Pro-E, third is SolidWorks, and fourth is CATIA. And there are many designing software, other designing software also. So but these type of softwares are very important and these softwares are adapted by many of the industries. I'm going to discuss one by one here all the softwares or all these four softwares of all these four designing softwares. First software is AutoCAD. AutoCAD is basically the designing and the drafting software and it is generally used by mechanical and civil engineers both. It is used by both mechanical engineers and civil engineers and also used by project managers and architect and used by some other field and used in other field also. AutoCAD is user-friendly interface and it include many tools to design complex part in 2D and 3D. Next is Pro-E. Pro-E is basically a 3D modeling software and it is used for solid modeling and assembly modeling, two-dimensional orthographic views, parametric modeling, tool design and tooling functionality for mechanical designers, and it also helps in finite element analysis. Next is SolidWorks. SolidWorks is a CAD 3D modeling software that runs on the Microsoft Windows and it helps in part modeling, assembly modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal design, drawing and the product data management, and it also helps in simulation. Next is CATIA. CATIA is basically a solid modeling and 3D design software and it suits for computer-aided design, computer-aided manufacturing and computer-aided engineering. And it also helps to create 3D sketches, 3D parts, sheet metals, molded and forged part of mechanical assemblies. Analysis or simulation part is the major part of the design field. Here I am going to discuss some software which is related to analysis or simulation. Basically, analysis or simulation is related to testing part. And apart from physical testing, these analysis software can help the industry to produce reliable product at low cost, and these type of softwares can also helps to visualize the product to maintain the better quality. And for those who are in structural analysis, aerodynamics field and the fluid dynamic field, they should know these kind of softwares or the software related to analysis or simulation. These analysis or simulation software are ANSYS, the major software of analysis or simulation, Fluent, Hypermesh, MATLAB, and Abacus. And there are many other analysis software also which are using or which are used by industry for analysis or simulation. Next, and the most important software is the Microsoft Office. As a design engineer, not only as a design engineer, as an engineer, you should learn the Microsoft Office, because Microsoft Office software is one of the tool which is used by every kind of industry. Either it is educational sector, hospital, business firms, automobile industry, PSUs, etc. So we can say this software is generally adapted or used by every type of industry. And here the tool which you should know, that is Microsoft Office Word, Microsoft Office Excel, and Microsoft Office PowerPoint. These three software is very important to learn if you are working as a design engineer or as an engineer also. These tools are very essential, and you need to learn these tools, and these can be helpful everywhere, even during your studies also. I will discuss one by one all these tools of MS Office. First is MS Office Word. Word is generally used in report writing, writing business proposal, research paper, or any kind of paperwork for any kind of industry. We can do any kind of paperwork in MS Office Word. Next is MS Office Excel. Excel is very important tool for every type of companies or for any kind of industry. It used for table formation, database calculation on automatic basis, preparing chart, converting data into charts, data management, and many more work. And next is MS Office PowerPoint. This PowerPoint is it's a useful presentation application, and by the use of different features like sound, themes, background, we can make a very effective presentation with the help of MS Office PowerPoint. We can import pictures, sounds, multimedia files to make presentation very classy and eye-catching with the help of MS Office PowerPoint. So as a mechanical engineer, if you know these software, designing software, analysis or simulation software, and MS Office, you can easily pursue your career as design engineer in design industry. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe the channel for more lectures.